Hello, welcome to a quantum demo. Let's start off by doing a stock prediction. Let's predict Microsoft with just the extrapolation model. This model makes a 90-day forecast purely from historical price patterns sourced from Yahoo Finance. Each ticker is trained live, so it may take a few more minutes. Alright, the generation is complete. And if you look here, you'll notice all the factors the bot used to come to this conclusion. Then on its left, you'll notice a server card which lets you advertise your server when it gets shared to social media. And over there is the legend. I want to focus on the sector and the market here. This is what the bot thinks the tech sector is going to perform, and this is what the bot thinks the market is going to perform. And you can also see key dates like earnings and X dividends here. Let's say you don't think the prediction is accurate. When you give your feedback, the chart will take into account your feedback and make the necessary changes. And since it's being trained live, you're gonna have to wait a little longer. Alright, the generation's complete. Now if you look at the graph, you'll notice the price is different and the graph is different. And you can do this as many times as you want, and each time you'll notice that the graph is different and the price is different. Now I'll show off some of the other prediction models. Let's predict, let's say, Chegg with the implied volatility model. And how this is different from the other models is that it uses only the put and call options data, also from Yahoo Finance, to display the future price movements. Notice how it only takes the short float as its only factor. Otherwise, nothing else has changed, the server tag is still there, and the legend is still there. Where the extrapolation model knows the past, but not the future, the implied volatility model knows the future, but not the past. Finally, let's see the last model. The grounded model tries to make a grounded prediction with both the past and future data. Why don't I also show the extrapolation model as well so you can compare? So the first to finish was the extrapolation model. And this is the grounded model. Notice how the graph uses elements of both the implied and the extrapolation model. Let's move on to the candlestick charts, which can be generated with /chart. And let's choose a duration of 5 years. After a few seconds, you can see this beautiful chart with the current ticker fundamentals. The server name is still there like the other generations. Let's swiftly move on to alerts. You can create an alert, and let's do Apple at $1.99. We could also list the alerts, and we can also clear all the alerts. Then we have the /quote command. This lets you generate real-time live fundamentals of a stock, and you can refresh it to update it. And finally, the /tickers command, which lets you validate whether you got the ticker symbol correct or not, or lets you find the ticker of a company if you forgot.